guys, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video, I will do a sound test of a Hella Super Chrome Twin Horn. This horn is a beauty inside the hood of your car. Nice and so neat to look inside the hood of your car with a clean, loud trumpet. Sound horn. Only best suited installed inside the car hood to avoid water damage. So be sure to install this only inside the hood of the car. And this is the look of the Hella Super Chrome Twin Tone Horn. And again, only install this horn inside to the hood of the car to avoid water damage. And now let's do the sound test. Thank you for watching.